Hi guys, so this is PSPM KMS number 3A. So basically, this is Kirchhoff questions. How do you know it's Kirchhoff or Ohm's law? You can see from the question whether how many power supply is given. So now we have 7 volt, 3 volt, also 8 volt. More than one power supply given means that is a Kirchhoff law is applicable lah. Okay, so for this case, you're given I1, I2, and I3. So first step is to choose a junction. So we have 1 or 2 junction. Which junction you want to choose? Is it up to you basically? But as for me, I'm going to choose this one here. This will be my junction A lah. I name it A. Okay, so next we need to indicate the directions of EMF. So EMF must be negative to positive terminal. So negative will be the cathode, the shorter leg. There. So this is my EMF. For 7 volt is to the right. 3 volt is to the left, for 8 volt is to the right as well. Okay, next we need to indicate the current flow for each resistor. So for this case, I suggest you to use your resistor highlighter. Okay, we start from a junction. For example, this is junction A. Using the same color corner, then you find another corner here, then corner same color. When you find a junction, you change color of your pen. So this one. So it means that for Kirchhoff law, we have maximum 3 colors. 3 colors indicates 3 different current. Okay, then kita ada I1, I2, and I3. So this is based on assumption. So you need to decide whether your current is into the junction or leaving the junction. So kalau saya, I'm going to indicate my I1 is according to the EMF here. So as EMF is going to the right, so I1 saya akan buat keluar. This will be my I1. Okay. So then for I2, I'm going to follow the directions of EMF 3 volt. So it's to the left. So I2 saya will be to the left as well. I2. Then I3 will follow the directions of 8 volt. So my I3 will to that way. Okay, so means as I1 is in I1 ni dalam compound purple color. So means that 2 ohm is also in purple color. So means that current passes to 2 ohm is I1. Current passes to 9 ohm is I2. Current passes to 5 ohm, we have the pink color, same as I3. Just for indication like that. Then the last step is for you to make a loop. Okay, loop kita ni saya buat kat dalam ni lah. Saya lagi suka buat loop bentuk rectangle ni supaya tak confuse. Okay, so directions of the loop is either clockwise or anti-clockwise depending on you. But normally it will be easy if you just follow the current flow, the directions of EMF. So EMF, so dia mesti one full loop ini tak ada salah. So yang bawah ni saya buat anti-clockwise. So it doesn't salah. Sekejap. Ni lah. Kadang-kadang kita buat salah macam ni. Awak jangan buat salah tau dalam exam. So if you look at here, dia mestilah one full loop. So my loop 1 is clockwise. My loop 2 is anti-clockwise. So because it's based on assumption, it's not necessary to be the same. Okay. Okay then. So now we start to do the solution for this. At junction A, summation I in equal to summation I out. So we can see that the current going into the junction, this is junction, current into the junction is I2. I2, leaving the junction will be I1 plus I3. So we arrange the equation I1 minus I2 plus I3 equal to 0. So this will be my first equation. Okay, yang ini penting you gotta write this one. This is as your concept. So for loop 1, summation EMF equal to summation IR. So as the directions of EMF is the same as our loop, so it will be positive lah. 7 plus 3 volt sama dengan directions of the loop, so tambah 3 equal to 2 I1. I1 is positive because the directions of I1 is the same as the loop, plus 9 I2. So kita buat 2 I1 plus 9 I2 equal to 10. So this will be my second equation. Okay, so my third equation, okay, sorry kalau dengar bunyi belakang, IR. Okay, so kat situ ni kita dapat 3 plus 8, 9I2 plus 5I3. So 0I1 tambah 9I2 tambah 5I3 equal to 8 tambah 3, 11. So this will be third equation. So you can see here kita ada 3 equation lah, 1, 2 and also 3 third equation. So what you do next is just put everything in the calculator. Okay, if you press correctly, you akan dapat I1 sama dengan 0.56 ampere, I2 is 0.99 ampere, I3 is 0.42 ampere. Okay, so because like in the question you're given I1, I2 and I3, so therefore the magnitude of I1, I2 and I3 for you and your friends must be the same. And just that because it doesn't given you the directions of I, okay, it doesn't given you directions of I and also the directions of the loop, your answer might be different in sign. Inside for I1 your friend might get negative 0.56. It's okay as long as the magnitude is same. Okay, negative indicates that the directions of our assumption current, the assumption of the direction of current is not correct lah. Means that if we assume it out of the junction, it might be going into the junction. Okay, I hope it clarify on Kirchhoff law. So you got to master this one because markah dia banyak untuk soalan Kirchhoff ni. Okay, thank you.